One and go.
I got you this time. You're all mine, buddy. Ready? Go!
Oh my god! You hit it on the pie!
My pie!
Oh my!
Sorry, Piggy. Didn't see you there.
Looks like you hit it on the pie.
Don't get your feet in it.
Oh no! Look at
Oh
that!
well.
So dirty. So shooting.
She's lightning fast. Others may try, but there's no stealing a ball from Hoppy Hopscotch.
Oh my god! Oh my
My painting!
goodness!
It's ruined.
No, the paint is ruined. The
You have
paint
to be
is
more
ruined.
careful.
The paint is ruined.
Whoops! My bad, Crafty Corn. I'll help fix it after the shot. A brief incident with the rat, but Hoppy Hopscotch returns to the field unscathed. She's gonna score. Yep.
Uh-oh. Look out, Bubba. Look out. Oh no, the ant. The bugs. No, no. The bug, no.
You ran right into my shot. That's it.
Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Hoppy Hopscotch playing a soccer field. Oh my god. I don't know why Hoppy Hopscotch playing a soccer field in a play here. So, first it was pushing Piggy in the pie. Secondly, he hit in coffee corners the paint outwork. And now he hit Bubba with the bugs. Oh my god, I don't know what did happen. Jeez, I don't know what did happen. First he was hit by Piggy pie, then it was coffee corners painting. And now he hit the Bubba's bugs. No way she does that. But they didn't know how to deserve it really. She hit it over everything. But she didn't deserve it. She didn't deserve it hit everything of a soccer ball. Oh, okay. I hope she listen about this one. Anyway, let's continue.
We gotta talk. There's only so much space in play care, and your sports are getting in the way of all of our hobbies. We need to share the
Yes,
field.
you
But
have to
the
talk.
field
You need to
is
talk about
supposed
this.
to be used for sports.
You need to talk about this.
I know. How about we all just play soccer together?
No.
Not everyone wants to play sports, Hoppy. Especially not with you. You take them way too seriously.
Oh, okay. I see how it is. I guess I'll just have to find somewhere else to play. There's clearly no room for me here. I need my own
Poor
space to
Hoppy.
play.
I don't know why she
Where am
didn't
I
play
gonna
soccer
find
film
that?
other than without. Oh my goodness. Anyways.
Maybe there's something here.
Green
Oh,
button
this
benchman.
is perfect.
Okay. Green button house, but look at the thing. Look at prices. $1 million. Look at that. $1 million. This is so price. Look at that. Price is $1 million. Holy moly. Did she want to buy her first house? Let me know in the comment. Did she want to buy her first house? Anyways. Let's continue.
Oh, I don't have any real money. All I have is pounds and pounds of pure gold.
Trophies. Pure trophies instead of money. Okay.
Do you think this is enough? Let's see. Oh my! Yes, I'd say this is enough for the house. And a tip too. Perfect.
Okay. Go ahead to the house.
Just remember to mow the lawn. The Home Sweet Homeowners Association can be picky. I own the lawn to play as much as I want. Oh,
Go ahead to his house. Go ahead to his house.
Hello.
Oh, he plays like more of himself
races
now.
down the field. Oh, it looks like Hoppy's coming in for the steal. What? Hey, that's mine. But can she make it past the goalie? You're not getting through me. She shoots. She scores. Hunter too. I know. I should make my own team. Team of perfect athletes, just like me. I know just where to start.
Oh, make a friend machine. Oh,
Here
make
we
a friend
go.
machine.
The Make a Friend Machine. 1-star athlete,
Oh, you
please.
can do more stuff.
Huh? What gives?
Oh, you can turn in the monster. I tell you the monster.
It looks like it's jammed. Maybe I can grab whatever's in the way.
Uh-oh. Yeah, you go in. He's going in and turn the monster. Hey, he's in the monster. Yeah. Oh, yeah, he's in the monster.
What happened to me? These long legs. I'll be so fast now.
Oh, because of the husband. His
Where am I?
husband.
And who are you, beautiful?
Me? Beautiful? I guess I did just get a makeover.
Name's Rowdy. Rowdy Rabbit.
I'm Hoppy Hopscotch. Want to be on my team?
I think I do. For life.
Oh,
so
family
glad the machine
reunion.
worked.
Family reunion. Oh. What? Oh.
That was a
This-
crazy
this-
ride!
My head's spinning.
Oh
Oh my gosh! Are you two like my kids? I think we are now.
Oh, a family
Do you
reunion. A
guys
family
like
reunion.
sports?
The play's soccer field now. It's
Alright,
soccer board now.
so you kick it as hard as you can, and then you run. It's like baseball with your legs. Grandma, I'm ready. Woohoo! Home run! Wow, you can really kick. Maybe we should call you Kicks. That's my new name. Don't wear it out. Oh, I'm next. Catch me if you can. Look at you. You're so fast. You're like supersonic speed. Maybe we should call you Dash. I love it.
Kicks and dash. That's our girl and boy.
That's
Copy,
very cool.
darling.
That's very
You're
cool.
next.
Here we go.
Ooh, strike one.
Beginner's luck. Here, let's go again. Yes.
Sorry, Mom.
Dash
You're too
and-
slow.
Maybe we should try another
Very
game.
cool.
I like this one. We're totally kicking Mom's butt.
Yeah, not our fault we're super athletes.
Hey, I'm a super athlete too.
Sure, Mom.
Hey, wait for me.
Go, Dash! Go, Kicks!
Kicks and
what
dash.
about
That's
me?
very cool.
Running in this new body is harder than I thought. I'm not used to these long legs or big feet.
Touchdown!
One more game. And this time, I pick.
Uh-oh. Sounds like someone wants an unfair advantage.
She needs it. Whatever you want to play, Mom, we'll do it.
I choose soccer.
Oh,
Soccer
okay,
is my specialty.
okay.
There's no way I'm gonna lose this time.
Coming in hot.
Look at that, he's so fast. He's so fast. He's so fast. He's so fast. He's so fast.
Gosh, I got it.
Let me keep it.
I said I got it. Ha! Nice try, kids.
Good luck getting through me, honey.
I won't hold back.
And I'd never ask you to. Go for it!
No way!
think she lost it. I think she lost it. She lost it.
Come on, Hoppy. You're supposed to be the best at this.
Really?
She can't even score a goal. Can't even score a goal.
Want me to go easy on you, honey? Seems like you need it.
Laugh at this!
Mom!
Dad!
You're totally benched, Mom.
It was an accident!
Didn't look like an accident to me.
You're just not that good, Mom, and that's okay. I just...
Oh.
She
crying.
seems really
She's
upset.
crying.
You think?
I didn't realize how much this game meant to her.
Kids, it's not just the game. I think we've all learned a lesson today.
Yeah,
We need
I
to
can
go
agree. I
apologize.
can agree.
I've got
I
an
agree.
idea.
What? You gonna give me a participation trophy?
Well, kinda.
It's a different kind of trophy.
Oh,
We're
number one
sorry we
more.
were such jerks.
We should have played nice, but that's what you wanted all along.
We took it too far. Will you forgive us?
Of course! After all, we're a team, right? Now huddle up!
Oh, family reunion. Family reunion. That's why, yeah, I got a family reunion. Family reunion. That's what I call it. Happy Hopscotch family reunion after playing soccer. Well, guys, do it happen. Do it.